My dog scratched my neck. Hi guys, it's me. I just got home from work, and I just wanted to tell you guys before I go to bed that this is the fake lashes I was telling you about in one of my videos. I have now tried every style. It comes with 10 different styles, and it comes with 70 lashes, 70 pairs, I think, of lashes. 70 pairs. So anyway, these are the thicker kind, like the middle kind, and I've been wearing the natural kind. I thought I would hate these. I freaking love these. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys, I couldn't remember the name of them. I got them off Amazon. I think they're like $16 for 70 pairs. So that's awesome, especially if you do what I do most of the time, which is I cut them in half, like I also explained. I'm going to do a tutorial where I use them. What I wanted to say is that, remember I was saying that these are not like real hairs. This is like all plasticky and weird and fake. It's kind of harder, but it's cool, and I am actually liking it more because it's not as flimsy as the more real lashes or the mink lashes. And as well, I like it more because since they're kind of plastic, you can wash them and reuse them forever. There's no expiration date. They hold their shape. They're super hard. So I like that, and they're easy to put on, and let's be real, I'm not good at anything. So I just wanted to let you guys know. So thanks so much. Bye.